That you?
Yes, sir.
Present with your attorney, Mr. West, and the state's attorney.
Right out of the gate, the judge wastes zero time, full legal name, formal address, and confirmation of counsel. Classic courtroom opener. But notice the tone? Calm for now.
Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this motion to revoke probation, which was filed on December 30th of last year? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
And please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statement you may make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Yes.
Lower your hands. In summary, ma'am, this states that on May 29th of last year in this criminal district court, you were sentenced to 2 years in the state jail, and that was suspended, and you were placed on probation for 5 years for forgery. Is that true? And it looks like forgery of elderly person.
Yes.
Allegation 1 states you committed the offense of engaging in organized criminal activity on or about July 19th, 2024 in Chambers County, Texas. What are we doing on that?
She's plainly not true to that.
What are we pleading to?
I believe the
Allegation 1 is a big deal. Organized criminal activity is no small accusation. But watch closely, the defense immediately distances from it. Why? Because a non-indicted allegation is basically a legal ghost, scary on paper but powerless in court.
which one is it? Number 3?
Number 3 states you admitted to and signed an admission on or about November 15th, 2024 with the Chambers County Sheriff's Office that in using illegal drugs, methamphetamine, on or about November 11th, 2024, which was in violation of condition 10 of your probation order, which states do not use or possess any drug. Is that true?
Your Honor, we're abandoning the first two. They have not been indicted, nor do I think they are really probably going to be indicted over in Chambers.
This is a strategic retreat, and a smart one. Prosecutors dropping allegations 1 and 2 means the entire case now hinges on allegations 3 and 4. Translation? The drama just narrowed to 2 violations, and both come directly from her own admissions.
County.
Number 4 states you failed to provide verification of performing community service hours as required in violation of condition 18 of your probation order. Is that true or untrue?
It's true.
Are you pleading true then to allegations 3 and 4 of this motion to revoke probation voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and based upon discussions with your attorney? Do you understand that a voluntary and knowingly made plea of true to 1 or more violations of probation, that can be enough to grant a motion to revoke probation by a preponderance of the evidence or greater? Your probation can be revoked, and you can be sentenced to no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true?
Here's your legal insight. Probation cases don't require proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The judge just needs a preponderance of evidence, basically 51% certainty. One true allegation can tank the whole probation. Stakes? Officially sky high.
Today, I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true.
Yes, sir.
All right, there's no agreement.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense?
I'll call my client, Ms. Barcinas. I think I don't know, she's sworn in already.
Yeah.
You did a moment ago, yes, with the plea. Ms. Barcinas, you just pled to 3 different issues here or allegations. Let's
2.
talk about
3 and 4. Allegations 3 and 4.
Okay, I come to it. Community service. You are currently incarcerated, is that correct? Okay.
How much time?
And currently, I believe we looked up yesterday, you have about 278 days in Jefferson County, correct? Okay. But before that time started, you were incarcerated somewhere else, correct?
Do you have a percentage report?
Okay. So since December of 2024, in custody in Chambers County, is that correct? Okay. All right. So you haven't been able to catch up with or do your community service because you've been incarcerated, correct? Okay. Had you done any community service before you were incarcerated?
I was looking in places to do.
Okay. You were beginning the Oh, I'm sorry.
I can't see.
I understand. Let me back up over here. So before you were locked up, you were preparing to start doing your community service, correct?
Right.
Okay. But you got arrested in Chambers County for allegations over there, correct? And then you were put in jail over there. You said in December of 2024.
Yes,
And since then, you had this motion revoked filed on you, and Jefferson County had pulled on you as well.
correct.
Okay.
Mhm.
And so now you're here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you haven't been able to take care of your community service, correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about the drugs. There was an allegation that you had used drugs while you were on probation. Is that correct? Okay. And you even admitted it to your supervision.
The defense is drawing a timeline shield, arguing she couldn't complete community service because she was jailed elsewhere. Smart move. It doesn't erase the violation, but it gives context that could soften the judge's response.
Officer in Chambers County, correct? Because you're on courtesy supervision, meaning that you're on probation here, but you were checking in Chambers County.
Correct.
Okay. And you admitted that you had used,
That there was a possibility of what it does.
okay, that they were testing you and you said, I'm probably going to fail.
He had asked me if she would send me to do a drug test if I would fail, and I told her most likely yes, because I used in 2-3 weeks before. Correct.
Had you failed any other drug tests prior to that?
Wait a second. Wait a second. You tested positive for methamphetamine?
No, sir. I
Oh,
admitted
She admitted it. She didn't test.
she never sent me to do a test.
Okay, but you admitted. You
Yes,
usually.
Yes, sir.
And when did you do that though?
It was like 2-3 weeks before I reported.
I don't
It was a
think that was-
one-time thing.
It probably wouldn't have appeared on a test.
Maybe not, but she was very forthcoming. And that was what I'm getting at.
Okay.
Laying out the fact
I see.
that you hadn't tested positive before, correct?
Yes.
And in this case, you admitted that you'd done it, correct?
Correct.
You were always very forthcoming, honest with your probation officer. All right. And you felt telling her that you might be positive would be better than her finding out that you were positive.
Correct.
But they never tested you.
No, sir. She never sent me.
Okay. All right. So, have you ever been in trouble before this? And this is your first violation?
Correct.
And had you been doing pretty well on probation before this? That's what it's on.
Where did you get the methamphetamine from?
It was just around,
What do you mean by that? What was you
like I
doing?
was had the wrong people was around.
Who gave you the methamphetamine?
Just got it. So
Who did you get it from? So you don't know who you got the methamphetamine from?
How do you know it was methamphetamine?
I don't know. It was the first time I've ever did drugs, and I tried it for the first time, and it was the biggest mistake in my life.
Did you know it was methamphetamine? You've been telling us it was meth. How did you know that?
I mean, that's what they said it was.
Who said that?
I don't remember. I don't know their name, sir.
So you think you lose your memory by using methamphetamine once?
Oh, I don't.
You can't remember anything.
No, I
You're in
remember
front of me
you-
right now,
Yes, sir.
and I'm going to make a determination how forthcoming you are, and you're losing the contest right now. I don't believe much of what you're saying.
I'm telling the truth, Judge. I was in.
I've heard that before. You can imagine. Everybody says that.
Yes, sir.
But the
I mean, I was
test is
staying-
what makes sense.
I was staying at a motel at the time, and it was just
What motel was that?
motel. No, Days Inn in Winnie. But
And
as
who
far
was
as
paying
it-
for that?
From the hurricane.
Who paid for that?
The FEMA.
Okay. For a hurricane?
For the last hurricane that we had, FEMA was paying for it.
So while you are evacuating and the people are paying for you to stay while you're evacuating, you feel like the right thing is to use methamphetamine,
Sorry, it was the right thing to do.
but you did it.
I did.
You made the choice.
Yes, sir. I tried once.
Go ahead. Keep going.
How much restitution did you pay?
Nothing yet.
So how did you pay for the drugs?
No, it was just given to me.
Someone just walked up and gave you the drugs?
It was people. It was all hanging out. It was just given.
And you don't know any of their names?
I promise you, I do not.
Just random people came and gave you
Well,
some
yes, basically. We was all just hanging out, just a group of people.
specimen.
Let's talk about that real quick. It was a group of you guys hanging out
Mhm.
around the hotel and around the pool, or where? I mean,
No, we just was all just hanging out.
like in the parking lot, inside somebody's room.
Well, we was outside and we come in, but we never really introduced each other.
Okay.
And
Was it? Did you smoke the meth? Is that
I ate it.
okay? So it's like a gummy or something like that, or some kind of
It was just, I ate it. I don't know. It's a little piece of thing and I just ate it.
okay. So you don't know even if it was meth, do you?
Correct.
But you looked at an officer, you used some kind of illegal substance. You believe it.
Meth because I was told it was meth.
Okay, you were told it was meth.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
And who were you staying at the hotel with?
Just me and my children.
Okay. And where were your children at this time?
They was inside the room.
Pass the witness.
Now you said everybody came inside the room
We was all inside.
while your children were in there.
It wasn't around them. So I said I ate it.
So you came in the room.
Outside, we was all outside. We come inside, and it was given to me outside.
Who was taking care of the children while you were out there using illegal drugs?
My oldest son is 16. I got a 16-year-old, a 15-year-old, and they was just inside playing video games.
I guess it's a good thing they're more responsible than their mother.
Yes, sir.
That's terrible.
I mean,
That's a terrible thing to be doing when you got children to take care of.
I understand.
Do you? Do
I
you
do.
really?
I do, yes, sir.
No, you came in way ahead of everybody else. The only you and getting high. That's more important.
Yeah, no,
than-
sir. It's not.
Yes. Yeah. I'm sorry.
No, I'm just saying.
Your actions can speak louder than your words can.
Absolutely, yes.
You're committing, you're on probation, have everything to lose. You're using drugs, serious drugs, methamphetamine. The kids, we're in an evacuation, a tragic situation happening. You're getting high. The kids are upstairs and the 16-year-old is taking care of everybody.
No. I mean, I was there taking care of them, but it's just.
Using methamphetamine in front of you.
It wasn't in front.
Well, you were using it, right? You got
It was
it?
just a one-time thing.
Who was, wait, did you get the methamphetamine in front of the children?
No, sir.
Who was taking care of the children when you were making the drug deals? Don't have anything to say.
No, sir. No, sir. I mean, I walked outside for literally 20 minutes.
You know
Yes,
what can happen in 20 minutes?
A lot could happen because I've been incarcerated for the last 2 months. of my life.
20 minutes to a child?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you must not, but you know what it takes to make a drug deal work. And meanwhile, the kids are by themselves.
Yes, sir.
You don't get parent of the year, ma'am.
No, not at all. And I mean, I understand that, and I've learned a lot because it's been 10 months and I've been away from my children, and I'm on the verge of losing my mom and all right now.
You know, once again, it's all about you, isn't it?
No, sir, it's not. It's about.
What's the greatest gift you can give to your child?
What do you mean?
What's the greatest gift you can, as a parent, can give to a child?
Just to be there.
Good example. Role model. Not mom, the drug user.
Correct. And my children doesn't know anything.
You know it.
Yeah, I do. You're absolutely right. Yes, sir.
And
Messed
you
up.
can't play both sides of the street, man. You can't say, I'm a great parent, but I'm committing felony offenses on the side.
Yes.
You think children aren't going to find out about it?
I mean,
And you think do you think keeping that Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde lifestyle is good and healthy for children
No.
in a home?
It's not.
Where's the father?
They've never been in their lives. It's
Where's
just-
their father?
I don't know.
So they got to rely on you.
Yes, sir, they do.
And you're sitting here with a felony
Yes, sir.
and using drugs.
It was a one-time use, so. For real, like, it's just a one-time and it's the biggest
Wait.
mistake in my life.
I'm sorry. How many violations of a crime does it take to be a criminal?
I mean, just one, but.
Okay.
You're right, yes, sir.
You don't take that step.
Yes, sir.
I never had problems making choices because it was easy to see what my children